A very warm welcome to Tech Mining. In the previous video you learned how to create points and polygons maps to visualize data using the new Oracle Apex Map feature. In this video you will learn what heat map and extruded polygons are, and how do you go about creating ones. Let's first dive into exactly how you can get started with heat maps today. Heat maps are a great tool for visualizing complex statistical data. Doctors, engineers, marketers, sociologists, and researchers of every kind use heat maps to make data sets comprehensible and actionable. A heat map uses color as a data visualization tool the way a bar graph uses height and width. For example, if you want to know which areas of your web page get the most attention, a heat map shows you this information in a visual way that's easy to assimilate and make decisions from. It uses a warm to cool color spectrum to show you which parts of a page receive the most attention. The main objective of using heat maps is to visualize the density of spatial objects. The more points that are clustered together, the more intense the color becomes. You can use this option to visualize the spatial distribution of population or incidence. The heat map you will be creating in this tutorial reveals United States population density. Population density is the number of human inhabitants per unit of area, typically square mile or square kilometer. As you can see, this part of the United States, which comprises New Jersey, Massachusetts, Maryland, and New York, have the highest population density. Extruded polygons display as three-dimensional extruded objects. The height of the 3D object visualizes a column value. This map visualizes US states as extruded polygons. Polygon color and height are determined by the water area column, using the built-in blue to yellow color scheme. The Florida state in this example has more water area, so it appears higher than other states. Clicking on a state shows an info pop-up with details. Now that we have seen how data is visualized in heat map and extruded polygons, let's dive into the details of these maps and create them. Run the page to see population density. Create another page to visualize water area using extruded polygons. Note that this map uses data from a table named states land water that was created in the previous video. A SQL query is used here to retrieve data from the table. The water area height column in this query is a calculated column that determines display height of each state. If you change the value from 25,000 to 10,000, the display height of the states will increase. After creation, set attributes for this page. The color scheme property specifies whether to use a color scheme for this layer. The color value column property sets the display color from the scheme according to the value derived from the water area height column. The highest value in this column represents the darkest area on the map. By setting the same column for extrusion value column property, you select the water area height column's value to determine the height of the extruded polygon. The HTML expression value renders a pop-up info box that shows details of land and water areas in square kilometer when a state is clicked. Save and test your work. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned the use of heat map and extruded polygons in Oracle Apex. If you liked this video, then please give it a thumb up and turn notifications on. Also please subscribe to Tech Mining to get more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching.